I would probably invest it in an algorithm. Right now, I've got a trading bot or a trading algorithm going. It's making about $135 a day.
And if they do make it, it'll make you like quadruple or like tenfold your money.
Yeah, a lot of people do it. That's the thing.
What's up, everyone? Today is a very special day. We are celebrating our 1 million subscribers event. Woo! Today, in this room, we're gonna have a lot of special people. We have traders, investors, CPAs, engineers, marketing directors, other YouTubers, and other people with real jobs, all in the same room. I know you guys love it when I ask people some real money questions. So today, I'm gonna be asking people, how are they investing $1,000 today? Thank you guys for all of your support over the years. I never thought we'd actually get here, over 1 million subscribers today. So join me today on this party. Thank you once again for your support, and don't forget to smash the like button. Let's go. And we are with Wilson over here. How are you doing, Wilson?
Good, how are you, Shay?
Really good. Also very nervous. Also, it's like a lot of people, but that's okay. Kind of introvert on the inside. Tell us a little bit about what do you do?
I live in Vancouver. I'm a realtor in Vancouver for 14 years.
So if I give you $1,000 today, how would you invest that $1,000?
To be honest, lately I've been watching a lot of sports, buying season tickets. I probably buy season tickets to like a basketball team.
Oh, okay.
And reselling them.
Oh, wait, where are you reselling your tickets?
I just resell them on the market. Like I have season tickets to LA Clippers.
Okay.
So I just sell them back out.
Oh.
Yeah, you actually make good money.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, so I'm not really into sports. Don't hate on me, but okay. So how much are those tickets, and how much do you sell them for?
I have 2 seats. They're $2,000 a seat.
$2,000
per game.
Okay.
So usually they sell for 4 to 5 per seat. So you double. But if they make it to playoffs, each seat is 15 to 20,000.
Okay, so let's say they don't make it to playoffs, you still double your money. And if they do make it, it'll make you like quadruple or like tenfold your money.
Yeah, a lot of people do it. That's the thing.
Okay, let me ask you this though. I heard like it's very hard to, like when the tickets come out, I thought a lot of bots or like people code the AI bots to buy it. How do you get so many so fast?
No, we waited for 5 years to get the season.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to put your name on the wait list. Oh. You wait until they call you. Then you get it. Then you're guaranteed those games.
Oh, I see. So it's not like the Beyonce ticket.
No, not like that. No, it can't be like that.
That's all I know.
No, not like that.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
You guys all love Dean's episode on the podcast, so he should be a no stranger to you. How are you doing today, Dean?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Good. So just in case they haven't seen your episode, could you introduce yourself to our viewers? What's your name and what do you do?
Sure, my name's Dean and I've been trading for a living for several decades now.
Several decades?
Several decades.
So that's through like a lot of bull markets and bear markets?
Doesn't matter. Whatever market, if it's going up, down, sideways, doesn't matter. I'll trade it. Absolutely.
If I give you $1,000 today, how would you invest it?
I would probably invest it in an algorithm. Since the people, if they might have seen my episode with you, they would know that I'm a quant trader. So I use statistics and probabilities to make trading decisions. And I would create a trading algorithm and I would put the $1,000 into that and let the algorithm do the trading for me.
Oh, wow. So let's say I do that, $1,000. How much would you be able to make with $1,000 with your automated trading in like a month?
Knowing what I know, not everybody's results are the same.
He's a pro.
Right now, I've got a trading bot or a trading algorithm going, a strategy that's run by the computer, and it's making about, on $1,000, it's making about $135 a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I've been testing that out now for about a couple of years. And now with some new things and new programs that are coming out, we've been testing them. And it's been running at just over $100 a day using artificial intelligence. And I've been an early adopter of AI, going back actually to about 2003, 2004. And so I'm very comfortable with it.
If you haven't seen Dean's episode, make sure to check it out on the channel. A lot of information. You're going to learn a lot about quant trading, AI trading, and auto trading. Thank you, Dean.
Thank you. And thank you very much for this. I appreciate it.
He showed this to me earlier. He gave me money, and guess what? It's $1 million in Canadian. Okay, I'm here with the most controversial but the most popular guy who's ever been on my channel, Rez. How are you doing, Rez?
Doing good. How about yourself? Having fun?
Yes, I'm having fun. Always fun when you're around, Rez. Rez, if I gave you $1,000 today, how would you invest it?
Short whatever popped up today.
Oh my God.
Full size. Oh, that's only 1,000. Yeah.
$1,000, yeah.
Yeah, so short it. Yeah.
Are you gonna use
Short whatever
margin?
gapped up. Of course. 6x. Trade zero.
Trade Zero loves you.
Oh, they love me.
Oh my God.
Banned from
Okay.
them actually.
And what happens if you blow up that $1,000?
Grab another 1,000 and go again.
Is that how it works? Is that how you trade?
Maybe.
Hey traders, if there's any potential guests that you find very interesting and you want us to bring on the Humble Traders podcast, then you can let me know down below. I'll try my best to make it happen. Hey everyone, this is my friend Gabrielle from Gabrielle Talks Money. How are you today?
I'm great. I'm really excited to be here and celebrate 1 million subscribers with you.
Thank you. So tell everyone your profession. What do you do for a living?
Okay, so I do two things. I have a CPA firm called Balance and Well CPA, so I'm an accountant. I do tax stuff. The second thing I do is actually, I'm a content creator. I do finance related topics, so.
I actually watch your channel because I hate taxes, so you make it a little bit more fun.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. So let me ask you today, how would you invest $1,000 today?
I'm pretty straightforward when it comes to investing. Like, there are professionals like Shay who does this for a living, and I don't want to be competing with her. So for me, I'm just low cost in ETFs. Yeah.
So kind of like investing for a long term?
Exactly, for our retirement more so.
Okay.
And dividend stocks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are investing at $1,000, would you just like buy any specific index fund? Or is there anything you like at the moment?
So in my RRSP, so in Canada, in my RRSP, I like to invest in like US ETFs, so like the S&P 500. So that's more something I like set it and forget it, and I'm not going to be touching it, right? In my TFSA, I do Canadian focused dividend stocks. So like I do drip, where if it pays out dividends, it just reinvests back into a stock, and so it's like very low maintenance kind of investing strategy.
Very, 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 very safe and very smart at the same time. Not like a degen like me.
Yeah, well, that's why you're watching Shade, right?
So everyone, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi everyone. My name is Quan, and I'm a computer engineer.
I remember I talked to you last summer, and I remember you have a real job. I like how you have to like wait a little bit and think, do I have a real job? Processing. Yes, I do. If I gave you $1,000 today, how would you invest it?
I'm gonna put all my money in one stock, which is
All in.
all in
What?
Mogo.
What? MOGO?
That's right.
Why? Why would you want to throw money away?
Well, because I'm from Vancouver and I support a company from Vancouver. That's why I put the money in Mogo, all in.
Oh, wait. What does Mogo do? I know they're from Vancouver. I don't know what they do.
Oh, they are kind of like a stock brokerage, and they also do coin brokerage like Coinbase or Binance, something.
I don't think I'm gonna give you my $1,000. I want to take it back.
Oh my god.
Okay, what's your name and what do you do?
Brandon.
Max.
What do I do? YouTuber as well. You're one of my YouTuber friends.
Oh, yay!
And I run a startup called Blossom, which you support.
Which I invested in. Yay! Everyone check out Blossom. This is the man who created it. So Brandon, you have an investing channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I asked you, well actually if I gave you $1,000 today, I'm not going to.
Nah.
But how would you invest that $1,000?
I would do the boring route of an index fund such as VFE. I know that's lame, but it's what I do, and I wouldn't lie to you. VFE.
You're not gonna go all in on like a meme stock?
Definitely not a meme stock, but if I did have to go all in on a stock, I would go. I'm still rooting for the Chinese stocks.
Okay.
Tencent, maybe Taiwan Semiconductor. That's the area I've been looking at for a couple years, and if I had to pick one there, but I'd probably go with the index fund.
Okay. And what about you, Max?
I just copy everything that Brandon does on Blossom. But no. I think it's good advice. VFE, S&P 500, index, something like that. I do think people are very US and Canada focused. So something like MCHI, like an index fund of China or emerging markets, I think would be a little bit of that as well for me.
And what about you guys? What do you think? Would you rather invest your money in the stock market or into real estate, such as buying a home? Let me know your thoughts down below. So tell our audience what's your name and what do you do?
I'm Alex, and I'm a creator with over 5 million followers.
What kind of content do you create?
I have multiple channels. I have like piano, opera, cooking, real estate, badminton. I don't know. I'm trying to make over 100 YouTube channels, all in education and performance skills.
This is a dude who learns everything. Besides trading, what the heck?
Yeah, trading is not a performance skill, you know? I can't show off. I like to be flashy.
Oh my god. Yeah, trading, you're just like sitting in your computer, in your room, your computer by yourself. It's not flashy.
Your bank account is flashy, right?
That's true. So if I gave you $1,000 today, how would you invest it?
I don't know. I feel like, what can you do with $1,000? In Vancouver, that's literally like 3 dinners. Like if you go out with your friends, that's like 3 dinners. Okay, I would choose 3 really good people and then treat them to dinner. Like, I think that's a big investment, building a relationship. Yeah.
Are you gonna treat me to dinner then?
Sure, if you give me $1,000.
Let me just check my pocket.
Oh shit. Oh, what the?
It's $1 million.
Oh, this is so good.
It's really
okay,
good, right?
All right, dinner's on me next time.
Okay, great. Hey Josh, what do you do?
Sure, so I'm a civil engineer and a part-time day trader.
So you have a real job and a degen job?
For now, until day trading takes off.
If I give you $1,000 today, how would you invest it?
So my answer is going to be boring. I'm probably just going to invest it in index funds with Wealthsimple based on my timeline horizon, something aggressive.
Something aggressive, like in what sector?
I think their growth funds are mostly in biotech, other emerging markets like AI, that sort of thing, and real estate.
What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Steven, and I'm a software engineer in finance industry.
My name is Howard. I do compliance in the crypto NFT industry.
If I gave you $1,000 today, one each, how would you invest it?
Everything in Apple. All in. I think all my friends use Apple, so let's to the moon. Hopefully, it'll be a slow journey though.
Earlier when I talked to you, he said he's gonna go all in on Nvidia puts. What happened?
You can't fight against AI.
A few $100 here and there in different crypto meme coins.
You're still all in on crypto? Crypto meme coins?
Some, yes.
Once a degen, always a degen.
You know it.
Good for you.
You know
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of interviews. However, we've only scratched the surface of how to make money from the stock market and various methods of building wealth. If you want to learn even more from our guests, then join us over on the Humble Traders podcast. We dive even deeper into their success stories and strategies. Thank you once again for helping us reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Your support and feedback over the last couple of years, this is heavy, mean the world to me. I promise you there's so much more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm the Humble Trader, and I'll see you guys next time.